Want to program a key fob for your 1999-2002 Lincoln Continental? It's a simple DIY process. This video will guide you through pairing a new or existing remote to your vehicle without needing special tools. These cars use a basic radio frequency RF system, making it easy to do at home. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful programming. Your Continental's key fob system operates at 314 MHz and uses amplitude shift keying modulation. ASK turns the carrier signal on and off according to the binary data sequence. Each fob transmits a unique rolling code that changes with each use for security. The system cycles through over 65,000 codes and resets after programming. The vehicle's body control module learns this code during programming. Minimal tools are needed, just the fob and a working key. Here is the standard DIY procedure for programming your key fob. First, ensure all doors are closed and the ignition is off. Second, insert the key and turn to the on position, with accessories on but engine not running. Third, press the unlock button on the fob within 5 seconds. Fourth, turn the ignition off. Fifth, repeat steps 2 through 4 for up to 4 fobs, which is the vehicle's limit. Finally, test by locking and unlocking the doors. Ensure you follow the sequence precisely. If programming fails, first check the key fob battery. The battery should read above 3 volts. A weak or dead battery is the most common cause of programming issues. Clear any body control module errors by cycling the ignition. Turn the key to the on position for 10 seconds, then back to off. Repeat this process 3 times to reset the BCM and clear error codes. If the key fob is physically damaged, such as cracked casing or corroded contacts, it needs to be replaced. Original fobs are scarce, so consider aftermarket options that are compatible with your 1999 to 2002 Lincoln Continental. Improper sequencing during programming can lock out all key fobs from the system. This requires a costly dealer reset, which can cost $100 or more for these older models. Always follow the programming steps exactly in order. Ensure all programming steps are followed exactly to avoid complications. Double-check each step and test the fob after programming to confirm it works correctly. Original key fobs can fail due to battery corrosion or worn buttons. These issues often occur after years of use, making the fob unreliable. Aftermarket options are widely available, often with improved battery life. These modern fobs can last up to 5 years on standard CR2032 batteries, much longer than older OEM versions. Brands like Keyless Entry Shop offer programmable remotes starting at $20 to $50. These affordable options provide a budget-friendly replacement for expensive OEM fobs. These universal fobs can mimic OEM functionality, providing a cost-effective alternative. They work just like the original remotes with lock, unlock, and other features, but at a fraction of the cost. While the 1999 to 2002 Continental doesn't natively support smart integrations, aftermarket adapters allow Bluetooth pairing with smartphones for enhanced features. This enables convenient features like remote start through smartphone applications, bringing modern convenience to classic vehicles. There's a growing trend of retrofitting older cars with modern technology, allowing enthusiasts to upgrade their vehicles affordably. Some eco-friendly remotes now use lithium-ion batteries, providing longer life and reducing environmental impact compared to traditional batteries. Many online tutorials demonstrate successful reprogramming. A popular YouTube video showed programming a 2001 Continental fob in under 2 minutes, saving $100 in shop fees. However, some attempts fail due to faulty BCM relays, requiring professional replacement, illustrating the limits of DIY. Success rates for healthy systems exceed 90%. Now for some expert advice and final thoughts on programming your Lincoln Continental key fob. Automotive technicians consider fob programming a low-risk DIY project for these models, provided you follow the correct sequence precisely. This approach maintains safety and reliability. Be sure to avoid over-programming, as excessive attempts can drain the body control module battery and lead to electrical complications. Limit your programming to the necessary fobs. The system's rolling code technology offers basic protection by generating new codes with each use, helping prevent unauthorized access to your vehicle. For the best outcomes, Always consult official Ford service manuals or trusted online resources. These sources provide the most accurate and current information. If issues continue despite your efforts, seek help from a professional technician. This step avoids potential electrical damage and keeps your vehicle operating safely. In summary, careful programming of your key fob improves both security and convenience for your Lincoln Continental.